My number is 0967-695-2886. Perfect. Now for your stay, breakfast is served from 7:30 p.m. In the dining area, and our Wi-Fi password is MBC123. So if you have anything during your stay, just dial 0 from your phone. Got it? Thank you. Lastly, could you please sign here for your check-in? Thank you. So, here's your room key. You'll be staying in room 123 on the 3rd floor, and the elevators are just around the corner. Checkout time will be on March 22, 2000. So enjoy your stay at NBC Hotel, ma'am, and please let us know if you need anything else. Thank you very much. Welcome to NBC Hotel. How can I help you? Good morning. I would like to I have your reservation under the name of Miss Certainly, ma'am. Let me just pull up the reservation. May I have your booking confirmation ma'am, or your voucher, and may I borrow the name and the Miss Sarate. Your reservation ma'am comes with a free breakfast, and then we also have our facilities such as our gym, which are located in the 3rd floor, and that will be open for 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. So as you fill up this sign or this registration form, as we already have some of the details in our reservation. And the 3rd floor also. So that if you have any problem on just dial 0 at the moment. Enjoy your stay here in Hotel, ma'am. And by the way, our bellman can assist you with your luggage. Thank you again and goodbye. Good morning. Thank you for calling front desk. This is April. How may I help you? Good morning. I would like to check out, please. You're calling from room 205, am I correct, Ms. Rata? Yes, that's right. Did you consume anything from the mini bar, ma'am? Yes, I did consume some snacks and drinks. Thank you for that information, Ms. Pante. Do you need any assistance with your luggage, ma'am? Yes, please. I have one backpack. Okay, ma'am. Just hold for a minute as I call the bellman to assist you. Bellman, please assist room 305 with your luggage to the lobby, please.
Copy, ma'am.
Hello again, ma'am. Our bellman will be with you shortly. Okay, thank you. Morning housekeeping, room 305 for checkout, and please confirm the number of consumed food and drinks by the guest. Alright, ma'am. Thank you. How may I help you? Good morning. I would like to check out. Okay, ma'am. May I have your number, please? Okay. Here it is. Thank you for this. Can I see my statement of account? Alright, ma'am, just give me a minute to confirm with the housekeeper that you should be matters with them. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, housekeeping. I'd like to confirm the number of food and drink items consumed at the minibar from room 305, please.
The guests consume of 2 cans of milk, 2 packs of boba, and 1 beer. And the rest of the items are full. Thank you.
Thank you for that information. By the way, ma'am, upon checking your first day, you have your free breakfast worth of 1,500. On your second day, you have your spa worth of 1,000 pesos. And for the consumed food and drinks at the bar, that will be 150 pesos. For further details, ma'am, it is already stated in your receipt. I would just like to inform you that we deducted your total balance worth of 2,200 pesos, which is also the exact amount of your deposit for incidentals. So here's your receipt, ma'am, and just please sign it at the